Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of coordinate geometry. Exercise 7.2 we are going to start today. In my previous video I have completed till exercise 7.1. So let us begin with exercise 7.2. So the question number 1, find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinate of point which divide the joining of -1 7 and 4 -3 in the ratio 2:3. So here they have given ratio 2. So we know the section formula. So we have to apply the section formula. So let us write the given points. Find the coordinate of point they have told. The question is find the coordinate of point. So let the coordinate of point be. Let the required point be. Let the required point be. They have told required point. Find the coordinate, right? So P of x, y. Let us consider this required point is P of xy. So now what we have to, given points are, let us write A, first point as A, -1 7 and B, let us consider AB, okay, -1 7 and 4 -3, okay, and ratio as m1 is to m2. They have given what? 2:3. Okay, let us write formula. We know the formula. Coordinate of point of P of xy is, coordinate of P of xy is nothing but, we know formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. In introduction of this chapter I have already given the formula, comma, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula to find the coordinate of point. Coordinate of point we have considered P of xy as a point. P need not require, xy is a point. So m1, this is m1. This we will consider x1 y1, x2 y2. So let us substitute in the formula now. m1 2, x2 4, plus sign is there, we have to write plus sign, m2 3, x1 -1 upon m1, what we have, 2 plus 3, m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, right? Okay, next comma, I will use different pen here, comma, m1 2, then y2 -3 plus m2 3, y1 7. We have to, when we substitute the value, we should be very careful. We have to check what we are writing exactly, okay. Then m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3, okay. Now let us solve. 4 2s are 8, plus minus minus, 3 1s are 3 upon 2 plus 3 5, comma, plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 2 plus 3 5. Now 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5. 5 by 5, comma. Then 21 plus 21 minus 6. 21 minus 6 is 15. Greater sign is 21. So 15 by 5. Now we can cancel 5 ones are 5 ones are get cancelled, so 1, and 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. So the coordinate of point P of xy we got is 1 and 3. So this is the first one question when they give the ratio. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Let me read out the second question, number 2. Find the coordinate of point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. So here they are saying about the trisection. So trisection means, first let us draw one line. I'll draw one line here. Okay. That a line is trisected. A line AB, we will trisect it like P and Q I will trisect. Here P I will write and here I will write Q. Okay. Now find the point of trisection they have told, and find the coordinate of point of trisection. Now let us check here properly. Let us start. Let the given points be, second one, let the given points, just now I have told now, the given points be A, what they have given, first point 4 minus 1, and B minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. This is the given points. Now let us see, P divides AB. Here 1 and this is 2. P divides AB. P divides AB in the ratio 1. Here 2 we have. 1:2 in the ratio 1:2. P point divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So we have to find the coordinate of P now. Therefore coordinate of P is equals to, we know formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, then comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So here we have points. A, B is a given points. What we have to write? x1, y1. This point is x2, y2. And ratio 1:2. So this is m1, this is m2. We have to mention. Now let us start solving. So we have to find the coordinate of P, that is P of xy we have to find. So m1 is, let us see m1. m1 is 1, x2 minus 2 plus m2. m2 is 2, x1 4 upon m1 plus m2 1 plus 2. Next comma m1 again 1, y2 minus 3 plus m2 2 and y1 is minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. Now in next step what we have to do, we have to solve this. 2 ones are minus 2, 4 twos are 8 upon 1 plus 2 is 3. Next 3 ones are minus 3 plus minus again minus, 2 ones are 2 upon 1 plus 2 is 3. Now let us solve this. 8 minus 2 is 6/3. Here minus minus is plus, 3 plus 2 minus 5/3. Here it get cancelled, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what we get? Answer is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is about coordinate P of xy we got. In the same way, what you have to do, see, this is about P I have solved. Exactly, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 I have solved. Now what you people have to try yourself is Q. Q divides AB in the ratio what? 2:1. See here two sides we have. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So, I have solved taking A point and B point in the ratio 1:2. So, I found the coordinate of P. P 1:2. But Q 2:1. So, in the same way, what you have to do is coordinate of Q you have to find. Same process. Coordinate of P, how I have find here? Same method, same way. Coordinate of Q. How? Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. A and B only, same points you have to take, but only ratio. Here it will be M1, here it will be M2. Same step you have to substitute. So coordinate of Q you have to try by yourself. Okay. Now let us see question number 3. See, this is the it's activity type question, but still I'll read quickly. To conduct sports activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at the distance of 1 meter each. Like 1 meter each, they have drawn the lines. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots they have kept. Okay. Each along AD, 100 flower pots have been placed as shown in the figure. They have shown in the figure. While writing in the notes, did not require to draw this, only write the questions. Okay. Now, Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both flags? But it's very easy question. If Reshmi, the third person come here, if Reshmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags, means these two flags joining in between, Reshmi has to post a blue flag. Where should she post her blue flag? We have to find out. Okay, let us start solving. Third one question. Now let us start the writing the position of first. The position of green flag. Okay, let us start. The position of green flag is what they have told. What we have to check is in the second line. That is very important what they have told. Here A is a origin, okay, and this is x-axis and this is y-axis, okay. They have told in a second line, green 1/4 the distance of AD on second line. So second line is this, x coordinate will be 2 and y will be 1/4 of AD. AD is nothing but 100 meter. They have told 100 flower pots each on 1 meter apart. So on second line, x coordinate will be 2, y will be 1/4 of 100. Okay. Is x coordinate will be 2 because second line, y coordinate is 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of AD is nothing but 100 flower pots. They have told. Directly I'll write. Now, the position of the green flag is 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20. 2 and 25. So the position of green flag, I will write G. G stands for green. So the position of green flag, what we got? 2, 25. Now similarly the position of red flag. Similarly the position of red flag, let us see the position of red flag is. The red flag they have told it is on 8th line. They have told in the question 1/5 of the distance AD on 8th line. 8th line means x-axis 8 and 1/5 of AD. AD is nothing but 100. 1/5 of AD. So now let us see. Red flag, reds are stand for red. 8, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. 8, 20. So now they have told find the distance between both flag. We have to find distance between both flags is what? How? Distance formula D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And distance between what? G and R. Red flag and green flag. G distance is what? 2, 25 and R 8, 20. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Let us substitute in this formula now. Okay, x2 is 8 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is nothing but 20 minus y1 is 25. Okay. Now let us solve this. Distance between two flags, what we have to, 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 square. Greater number is minus. So now what we have to do is 6 square is 36. 6 6 are 36 plus I have told you in my previous classes also that in previous videos minus to the power square is nothing but it is positive. 5 square is 25. Now 36 plus 25 is nothing but 61. So root 61 you got. Therefore the distance between two flags is nothing but root 61. We got the distance between two flags as root 61. Now what they have told, we will write, I will draw the distance between two flags. Okay, this is G and this is R. Okay, now G and R are the distance between two distance. Now what they have told Reshmi, they have told Reshmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between these. Exactly halfway. This is the halfway. Exactly halfway she has to post blue flag. Now where she will post that we have to find. Okay. Let the midpoint of the line segment of two flag be blue. Let the midpoint of line segment GRB blue flag. B of XY. We will take B of XY. Blue flag na. So I have taken B. Now let us find the distance between midpoint formula. You should know what is the midpoint formula. In my first video I have told you what we have to find. So position of blue flag is nothing but midpoint between. Position of blue flag is nothing but midpoint. Formula we have to use. I have told in my first video introduction part midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So let us write now. G and R points. We know G point is 225 and R point is 820. I'll write 225, R is 820. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2. 2 plus 8 by 2, comma y1 is 25, y2 is 20. 25 plus 20 by 2. So, 8 plus 2 is 10 by 2, comma 25 plus 20 is 45 by 2. Now, 2 ones are 2, 5s are 5, comma, here we know 45 by 2 is nothing but 22.5. This is the position of blue flag, where we have to post the blue flag, they have told. So, in the fifth line, they have told to post the blue flag. This is the position. Okay, now let us go for the next problem. Question number 4th. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Here they have given 2 points and again another point has divided that line segment. Find the ratio. In what ratio it is divided, we have to find. In which ratio it is divided. So let us start doing that. Question number 4th. Okay. Question number 4. In which ratio? Let the given points be A and B. Let us write. Let the given points be A. 2 points together they have given -3, 10 and B they have given 6, -8. Okay, and one more point, let the point P, another one point they have told 1, -1, 6, divide AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. They have told find ratio. We don't know what is the ratio. We have to find the ratio, right? So I will write the ratio m1 is to m2. So let us find the ratio. We know the formula. Coordinate of P. Coordinate of P is equals to, we know formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Now what we have to do is, coordinate of P they have given -1, 6. This is the coordinate of P. M1 we don't know, we have to find ratio. This is the points given x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, now M1 what we don't know, we have to write M1 only. X2 6 plus M2 as it is, x1 -3 upon M1 M2 we don't know, so we have to write as it is because we have to find that. Now M1 as it is, y2 -8 plus M2 as it is, y1 10 upon M1 plus M2. Okay, now exactly we have to find now. -1, 6 as it is this side, 6 into m1, 6m1 plus minus minus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, comma minus 8m1 into then plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. Now we know that this is the x coordinate, this is y, this is x, this is y. So we will just equate this x coordinate and y coordinate. That is here minus 1 is equal to, we will equate x coordinate, we will equate first. Minus 1 is equals to 6m1 minus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2. Similarly, what we have to equate? 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. We have equated these x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, let us solve now. What we have to do? We have to find the ratio. We will cross multiply. Minus 1 into m1 plus m2. Because divide will become multiply is equals to this side 6m1 minus 3m2 as it is. Now minus we will multiply minus m1 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 as it is. m1 one side and m2 one side we will write. Minus m1 here only, I will bring m1, 6m1, if I bring this side it will become minus 6m1 and then this side minus 3m2 as it is, I'll bring m2, it will become plus m2. Okay, now minus minus is plus, both are m1 so we can add minus minus is plus, minus 7m1. Here 1 plus 1 minus, so from 3 1 m2 if we remove minus 2 m2. Okay, now minus minus got cancelled. m1 here only I'll keep, m2 if I bring here it is in multiply position, this side if I bring it will become divide. m2 is equal to 2 here only and if I bring 7 here it will divide. So what we got ratio? m1 is to m2 we got 2 is to 7. Here we got 2 is to 7. This side also we should get 2 is to 7 only. Then only our answer will be correct. Let us check this side now. Let us multiply 6 into m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2. Okay, 6 into m1, 6m1 plus 6 into m2, 6m2 is equals to minus 8m1 plus 10m2. Now m1 one side and m2 one side we will write 6m1 here only. I'll bring this plus 8m1 is equal to 10m2 this side only plus 6m2 if I bring here minus. Okay, 8 plus 6, what it will be? 8 plus 6 is 14. 14m1 is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4m2. Now m1 here only, I'll bring m2 here, it will get divide is equal to 4, I'll keep here only. 14 if I'll bring here. Here we got 2 by 7. Here 4 by 14. But 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. We got now m1 upon m2. What we got? 2 by 7. That is nothing but 2 is to 7. Exactly same we got both ratio. So here how we have to find ratio? We have to equate the x coordinate and y coordinate. So we got the ratio is 2 is to. Therefore, the required ratio is 2 is to 7. Now, exactly same problem, what you have to do is Fifth one, try yourself. Find the ratio in which the point they have given a 1 minus 5, 4, 5. Exactly same. Is divided by x-axis they have given. X-axis in the sense, x you have to write x only, y 0. Coordinate you have to form here. X and 0. Same step you have to follow. Exactly same method what I have done in a fourth problem. So unless and until you will not try yourself, you can't analyze yourself. So question number 5, try yourself. Okay. In my next video, I am going to start from question number 6. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.